Hello little artist. Welcome to Kids Drawing Hub. Today we are going to draw a colorful drawing. Let's draw together. Welcome to Kids Drawing Hub. At first, we took a black marker. Then we draw a straight line. After drawing the straight line, we draw again straight line. After drawing two lines, we draw third straight line. And made a triangle. Here we draw the roof. After drawing the roof, we draw again a straight line. Then we draw straight line parallel into the previous one. Then we join two straight lines. Here is the wall of the house. Then we draw the door using rectangle shape. Then we draw window of the house using two small square. Here we draw a big window on the upper part of the roof. Draw a kitchen chimney using two parallel lines and join it. Here, we draw a sun using circle shape and some small line. Lastly, we draw a cloud using semicircle shape. Our house drawing is completed. Wow! It looks fantastic! Red color. Red color. Blue color. Blue color. Blue color. Yellow color. Yellow color. Yellow color. Brown color. Green color. Orange color. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye.